Hey everybody, this is Michael from Barton Musical Circuits, and this is the new BMC104 parallel melody generator. This is a module that kind of works like a keyboard that's controlled by gates. So on the left here, you have 8 input jacks, and these would conform to the 8 notes in a major or minor scale, so your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And then here on the right, we have inputs for controlling what octave that the melody is being played at, and an input for updating the output. And here's the output here. So this is outputting control voltage based on gate inputs. And then we have this toggle here that goes between minor, major, or chromatic mode. And in chromatic mode, instead of these inputs here controlling octave, these would control the 4 extra halftone scales. A chromatic scale is all of the halftones between all of the halftones in an octave. So yeah, I'm gonna set up a little patch so you guys can kind of hear what this sounds like. I'm using the voltage to rhythm generator, a decade counter, and a divider for this. And I've got the BMC100 that I'm using as my VCA and VCF, and an oscillator that's down here. That's one of the Thomas Henry 4046 oscillators. So yeah, I will get this turned on and set up. So I'm going to plug in our VCO to the output, and then I will start patching. So the output of our divider will go to step 8, so that's the octave. And we'll take one of the steps off the decade counter for step 1. Division. And then I'll add another step off the decade counter to the 4. Change that to the 3. And then right now we're in minor, I'll set it to major. So you can hear that difference. And let's involve the V2R as well. We'll set that to the 5th. Oh, I hit tempo instead of scale, shit. And I'm going to involve the 6th. And let's move this around to a different note, or a different step. Start unpatching things to start simplifying it. Start building it back up. Yeah, so that's just an example of, messing around with it and generating melodies with it. Obviously I'm not using the octave controls right now too, but I can move some stuff over to that so you can hear it a little bit. But yeah, so thank you for watching. Have a great day.